Hey everybody, it's Neil, and today I have this. This is a charger that'll fit into my Tesla from, let me see if I can open it, from the old school charger ones. I have a new charger that I got. This is it here. Let me open it up, show you guys it. So, let me see, how does it go? Okay, sorry. So this is what it looks like. So it looks like this, and my port looks like that. So I have to somehow get it in there. So I got this thing, and I'll show you this adapter. So this is the adapter here, and let's open it up, and show you how this works. See, so there's the plug for that end, and that's the plug for the Tesla end. So let's see if it works. So we'll plug it into this. Oops, here. So I'm gonna plug it into this. So there, it fit on that end, and now let's put it into the Tesla and see what happens. Can y'all see what's going on here? Let me see there. And there it goes on. It turned blue. I'm not sure what blue means. Maybe that means it's charging. I don't know. Let's see what happens on the screen. It says charging equipment ready. See equipment instructions to start charging. Okay, so maybe there's a button they have to push on there to charge. Let's see. I didn't read the instructions here, but let's see. EV charger. It says 16 amps it's running at. And fault. Not sure what fault means, but let me try plugging it in again here. Let's see what it says here. It says 16 amps idle. Fault. Not sure what that means. Let me try to figure this one out. Well, my lesson is don't buy stuff on Craigslist or something, because that's what these two chargers. I bought two chargers that were a super good deal, and I guess that's why, because neither of them work. As soon as I plug them in, they don't even work. Not even in the plug here. They don't even work when I have it plugged into the wall. So it said fault, and then the other one just blew the breaker. So got two bad ones, but this one here does work because I just tried it on another one. But I do have a Tesla charger in here, so I'm using that. But this will be good when I go to charging places that don't have it. So I'm sticking this in the car to take with me, so I will always have it. So very good. So thumbs up on this particular converter. I'll put a link to it so you guys can pick one up. But definitely don't get these chargers that I got. Maybe I'll explain what those ones are too, so you guys know not to get them. Okay, bye.